Okay, good morning, everyone. Looking at the US stock markets, the Dow has again recovered from the low of around the 24,000 psychological level. Since then, we did see a good breakout as the Dow breached above the 24,500 points, subsequently closed and also rose above the EMA 20 and also the EMA 60 level. Following the breakout above the 24,500 points, we did see the follow-through buying interest was noted on the Dow as the Dow rose for the past four consecutive trading days. Following this strong breakout above the 24,500 points, we are expecting the Dow to trend towards the 25,000. That will be the immediate reasons for now. Should there be a breakout above the 25,000, further upside will be seen towards the 25,400 points. In the meantime, any pullback will see gains, will be see losses limited towards the 24,500 points for now. Gains over the past couple of days was underpinned by the expectation over the strong corporate earnings from Wall Street. On the broader market, is traded on a quite similar manner. We did saw the S&P 500 has recovered along the EMA 120, which is around the 2700 psychological level. Since then, we did see a good breakout above the 2750. Subsequently, the S&P 500 continues to trend higher over the past 2 to 3 trading days. For now, we expect the S&P 500 to trend towards the 2800. That will be the immediate resistance for now. Should there be a breakout above that, further upside will be seen towards the 2850 or even towards the previous all-time high of 2870 level. In the meantime, the support will be located towards the 2750 followed by the 2700 psychological level. Updates on the crude prices. The crude prices has learned from the consolidation breakout along the 63 towards the 68 US dollars barrel mark. Since then, we did see the crude prices has rallied beyond the 72. After hitting the 75, we did see a consolidation spell between the 72 towards the 75 US dollars barrel level. For now, we are expecting the crude prices to just trade on a sideways pattern between the 72 towards the 75 until we can see a breakout above the 75. Only we can confirm for further upside on the crude prices, or any pullback below the 70 will see a further retracement towards the 70 or even towards the 68 US dollars barrel mark. But all in all, crude prices is still forming the higher high and also the higher low formation, implying that the uptrend is still intact on the crude prices. Okay, some updates on our local front. The FMKLCI has again been beaten down towards the 1660 level. Since then, we did see a one-day technical rebound on the window dressing activities. Just towards the 1700, it rejected the 1700 and subsequently a pullback and traded on a sideways manner. However, following the last Friday's bearish candle, we did not see any fall-through selling pressure, and instead, the FMKLCI has formed a two-day recovery candle. So for now, we will be monitoring for further upside, tracking the gains in Wall Street and also the higher crude prices. We expect further bargain hunting activities on the FMKLCI towards the 1700. There will be immediate resistance for now. Should there be a breakout above the 1700, we might see further upside towards the 1730. While a breakout above the 1700 would implies that this could be the potential W-shaped formation or breakout on the FMKLCI. Meanwhile, the immediate support will be located towards the previous low, which is around the 1660 level. On the small cap wise, we are seeing some of the pullback phase on the FM small cap index from the 14,600 550 points level. Yes, subsequently a pullback and looks to retest the 13,700 points. So for now, we expect some of the mild bargain hunting activities on the lower liners. With gains to be capped just towards the 14,000 psychological level until we can see a breakout above the 14,000. Then we can confirm for further upside on the FM small cap index towards the 14,560 points. On the lower liners wise, everything appears to be quite stable or slightly positive right now. As you can see that the MACD indicator has been forming the higher low formation recently. Just that the price is still on the downside. So until we can see a breakout above the 14,500 points, only we can confirm for the recovery phase. Any recovery from now will be just taken as a technical rebound. On stocks wise, we can watch out for firstly is Astro. Astro has announced since the bullish divergence signal was being established, the price has been trading lower, but the MACD indicator has been trading higher between April towards May this year. After hitting the recent low of around the 1.30 level, we did see Astro has recovered just towards the EMA 60, which is around the 1.85 level. It rejected the EMA 60 and subsequently pulled back and traded on a sideways manner. However, we are seeing a good consolidation breakout on a short-term consolidation breakout on Astro beyond the 1.68 level yesterday, accompanied by some of the improvement in volumes. Following the breakout above the 168, we expect price to trend towards the 185 or even towards the 2.09 level. Your stop loss point will be located below the 1.57 level on Astro. On JHM, price has staged a strong recovery towards from the low of around the 69 cents level towards the high of the 1.22. After hitting the 1.22, we are seeing just a sideways pattern on JHM. However, this could be the potential healthy consolidation phase that we are looking at for a potential symmetrical triangle formation or breakout, given that price has already formed the bullish candle and also closing above the EMA 20 level yesterday. So for now, we'll be monitoring for this potential symmetrical triangle formation breakout above the 1.03. Should price breach above the 1.03, further upside will be seen towards the 112 towards the 122. The stop loss point will be located below the 99 cents level, and if you can take further risk, the next defense will be located towards the 94 cents level on JHM. On hibiscus, price has been seeing some of the recovery pattern as of late. Yes, again recovered from the low of 70.5 cents level towards the 1.04. After hitting the 1.04, we did see a pullback phase and traded on a sideways manner over the past 2 months trading period. During the pullback phase, we are seeing a lot of support along the EMA 120. Yes, again recovered from the EMA on 120 once, twice, and this is the third time it has recovered along the EMA on 120 level. And recently we are seeing a good short-term breakout. The pullback formation and the pullback and the continuation formation was established on a hibiscus as price closed above the 90 cents level, accompanied by some of the mild improvement in volumes. On indicators wise, the MACD histogram has really turned green yesterday, whereas the RSI has been maintaining its stance above the 50 level over the past couple of days. Following the breakout above the 90 cents, we are expecting hibiscus to trend higher towards the 96 cents or even towards the 1.04 cents. The stop loss point will be located below the 85 cents level on hibiscus. On Burma's Auto, price has again hit some of the resistance along the 2.47 level, forming a double top formation. After hitting the 247, we are seeing a pullback phase just towards the EMA 120 and price subsequently traded on a sideways manner. So for now on Burma's Auto, we'll be monitoring for this potential short-term channel formation for the breakout above the 229. Should price breach above the 229 cents level, further upside will be seen towards the 247 or even towards the 250 cents level. Your stop loss point will be located below the 218 on Burma's Auto. Should price make a good breakout above the 229, we are expecting the MACD indicator to give us a buy signal, whereas the RSI could be heading to cross above the 50 level as well. On our UGTech, price has again recovered from the low of around the 2.19 cents, 2.18 or 2.20 cents level towards the high of 3.05 cents. After hitting the 3.05 cents, we are seeing the healthy pullback phase and a sideways pattern was being established. But the good thing on the UGTech is that we are seeing a short-term consolidation breakout above the 2.80 cents level, and the follow-through by interest was noted on the next day itself. Following the breakout above the 280, any pullback for now will be a healthy pullback for us to accumulate before the next arm run will resume towards the 3.05 cents. There will be immediate target price followed by the 3.17 cents. The stop loss point will be located below the 270 on UGTech. Last company for the day will be SKP Resources. SKP Resources has rebounded from the low of around the 1 ringgit and 34 cents level, forming the triple bottom formation along the 1 ringgit and 34 cents. After forming the recovery on top of the 1 ringgit and 34 cents as of late, we are seeing a short-term consolidation breakout on SKP resources as price rose and also breached above the 1 ringgit and 44 cents level, accompanied by some of the rising volumes. Following the breakout of 1 ringgit and 44 cents, we are also seeing the MACD indicator has already issued a buy signal, whereas the RSI has risen above the 50 level. So with the breakout above the 1 ringgit and 44 cents level, we are expecting for technical recovery on SKP resources. Firstly, towards the 1 ringgit and 63 cents, followed by the 1 ringgit and 76 cents level. The stop loss point will be located below the 1 ringgit and 34 cents on SKP resources. If you have any questions, you can put in the chat box. I will reply shortly. There's one question here on Menang. Menang has seen some of the strong breakout above the 41 cents level, short-term breakout above the 41 cents level. Subsequently, has headed towards the 50.5 cents. After hitting the 50.5 cents, we are seeing a mild pullback phase. And during this pullback phase, we are seeing some of the declining volumes, implying that the buyers during this rally period are still in position. For now, any pullback for now will be a healthy pullback towards the 45 cents. If price can see some of the recovery along the 45 cents and rebounded from this point onwards, then we might see further upside back towards the 50.5 cents or even towards the 52 cents level. So the immediate target price will be located towards the 50.5 cents towards the 52 cents. But all in all, we are on the short term wise, we are seeing the uptrend intact orientation formation establishing the MA9 2060 has been in line. Just that the RSI is slightly overbought right now, so any pullback will be a healthy pullback for investors to digest its recent gains. If there's no further question for today, then we'll end the morning briefing. Thank you.